This is a review of a phone case for the Samsung Galaxy J7 Sky Pro. It's a sleeve style case. It's made out of felt. The felt is pretty thick, so it should last and do a good job. The front is lined with a very soft material. This is the phone, the J7 Sky Pro, and it easily slips into the sleeve. It gives it very good protection. The total phone is protected. The case has this tab, so you could easily pull it out of your pocket. What I don't like about the case is if you tilt it, it slides out easily and the phone will fall. That I plan to fix. This is my old phone, which is 7 years old. It's a sleeve style as well, and it had the same problem. The phone slides out too easily and can fall. So I made a flat and glued it on with super glue and super glued some Velcro on it, and that corrects the problem. And you can see how well protected a sleeve protects the telephone. The sleeve is all beat up, but the phone, which is 7 years old, still looks brand new. So I think it's a pretty good case, minus that flaw of not having a flap to hold the phone securely. I got this case from cellularoutfitters.com, and when I bought it, it was $4.99 plus $5.99 shipping. And I looked this morning, it looks like the case is now $8.99. So if you're looking for a case for the J7 Galaxy, J7 Sky Pro, which there aren't that, I don't think there's that big a selection of cases for this phone, you might consider this one and modify it. I might do a video with it modified to see how that comes out. That's the end of the review.